This is a demonstration of how to start and take off a simulated helicopter using MissionPlanner's SITL interface. So what I'm going to do is go to the Simulation tab here, and I'm going to choose a helicopter model, which is there, and then click on Helicopter. And that will start up the simulated helicopter at my chosen location as shown here on the map. Right, it's now connecting to the helicopter, getting the parameters, and there it is. So we have a helicopter sitting on the runway. Okay, so the next thing we need to be able to do is arm and take off the helicopter. So the most critical thing is this little message here, motor interlock enabled. And it's not possible to take off a helicopter without being able to control channel 8. And so channel 8, it's hard-coded in the helicopter code that it has to be channel 8. So what we need to do is go to our joystick settings, and I've got a joystick here. I'll just move that so you can see it within the window here. And you'll see that I've got a knob on my joystick there that controls channel 8. So you can see there the channel 8 value, and as I move it down and up, that's controlling channel 8. So I'm now going to enable the joystick control. Now just to show exactly what's happening, I will go to the tuning page, and on the tuning page I will enable the display of channel 8 input, and I'll also show the other channel 1, 2, 3 and 4, which is the main flight channels. And you can see here that I have control over the main flight channels, and I also have control over channel 8, which is the blue line there, and you can see that I can raise and lower channel 8. Great, so we'll turn off the tuning. And now I can set channel 8 low just by twisting the knob back to minimum. And I am going to set the mode to loiter mode. So I'm now in loiter mode, and I'm now going to arm the helicopter. And it's now armed, and I will raise the throttle, and the helicopter should now take off. And there it goes, rising very slowly. And the final thing I need to do here is raise channel 8, which is the actual throttle level. It's actually disarmed because I was too slow there. I basically raised channel 8 too slowly, so I will arm it again, and I will now raise channel 8 a little more quickly and raise the collective above half. And there's the helicopter taking off. It's not a very sporty simulated helicopter. So you can see that we've reached there 6 meters, 7 meters, 8 meters. And so I can take it back to neutral collective. I can yaw it left, and I can yaw it right. And I can now fly it to the right. And there it is, flying. So finally, I'll tell it to RTL and land. So it's in RTL, it'll fly back to the original position, and then it will land. So the point of this demonstration is just to show how critical channel 8 control is for the simulated helicopter. If you don't have a joystick, you need some other way to control channel 8. You can fire up a ground station that has the ability to do RC overrides. So something like MavProxy would be able to do it. But the easiest thing to do is to get a joystick that is able to control it. One that I quite like using is a Taranis transmitter. Just use the USB port on the back of the Taranis, and the Taranis acts as a USB transmitter when you connect the USB cable to the back of the transmitter, and that allows you to use a full RC transmitter with software in the loop simulation. All right, thanks for listening.